तो मैम आजकल मिलेट्स के बारे में बहुत बातचीत होती है। एक नया फैशन बन गया है कि आप मिलेट्स खा रहे हैं, मिलेट के प्रोडक्ट खरीद रहे हैं। इनफैक्ट इंटरनेट, इंस्टाग्राम भरा हुआ है आजकल मिलेट के प्रोडक्ट से। सो एज अ डॉक्टर आप एंड एज अ लाइफस्टाइल प्रमोटर, आप क्या कहेंगे मिलेट्स के बारे में?
Millets are very local to Indian cuisine. So it's always good to buy local and buy seasonal also. एंड हम जो बोलते हैं फार्म टू टेबल FTT टाइम, कितना उसको ग्रो करने में और वो आपके डाइनिंग टेबल को आने में कितना टाइम लगता है, तो ये सब हेल्थी कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं. What is coming up new is nutrigenomics, where what we eat, how that interacts with our genes. And they say that it takes about 8 to 9 generations for our genes to get adapted to the new type of foods which we are taking. So, for example, rice, white rice, what we get now is polished. You have removed the outer coating, you have removed all the nutrients, and you are making it so carbohydrate dense, and which in turn we are seeing a lot of diseases like diabetes. So it kind of correlates with the glycemic index. So it's very important to switch to local cereals which our bodies have gotten used to from generations. Like don't eat what your grandmother wouldn't recognize as food.
वोंट इवन नो
वो
कि कुछ खाने की चीज़ है।
चीज़ है. हाँ, बिल्कुल. तो
हम्म।
ये पूरा ये प्रोसेस्ड फूड्स में
हम्म।
होते हैं. तो इफ शी सीज सम ऑफ द थिंग्स विच वी आर ईटिंग टुडे, शी वुडंट नो, राइट? सो स्टे अवे फ्रॉम दैट. दिस इज प्रोसेस्ड फूड्स basically. And what is on the opposite spectrum of it is eat which is local, and what she was eating, which is millets. So most of these millets are like, when we call, at least in Canada or South India, it is same akki, navane akki. These are all rices or grains. These are the grains which we were eating, or ancestors were eating. Maybe in the past 100 years, same thing perhaps in North India too, wheat. It is gluten. There is a lot of inflammatory burden on it. We are seeing a lot of gut disorders, and gluten free is also becoming quite popular these days. And in growing this, we saw a lot of use of pesticides and chemicals, and we saw the cancer train coming in. We know all of this has had its own impact on our health. But one more important thing about millet is, especially if you're diabetic, it is not all millets are good. Some of the glycemic index of certain millets. So in millets you have major and minor, right? So in major, for example, ragi, it is good. It is higher in calcium. Few things are still good in it, but for a diabetic perspective, it has the same glycemic index as
एज
rice,
राइस
right?
या।
So you need to be aware of certain basic concepts to understand what works for you and what doesn't. Not just blindly go, but also be aware of the marketing gimmicks now on food packaging. When just because it has millet doesn't mean it is healthy. You're having millet cookies. So many new things are
या या।
coming. Just
इवन आई
putting
हैड मिलेट
one.
कुकीज जस्ट अ फ्यू डेज बैक।
It doesn't just make it the whole healthy, right? The other stuff is still there, the sugar and the chemicals and all the things. So be aware of what it is. Always a good thing to introduce it into your existing cuisine. If you're eating rice, if you can switch to red rice, that's one step. This grain hierarchy is given also in the book. What is better? What is better? If you can switch to red rice, that's good. If you can switch
मैम
to
ये रेड
local,
राइस क्या हर जगह मिलते हैं? तो
uh,
हमने तो मार्केट में देखे भी नहीं कभी रेड राइस।
हाँ बिल्कुल मिलते हैं. तो इसमें इवन इन राइस सो मेनी वेराइटीज आर देयर. ब्राउन राइस, रेड राइस, ब्लैक राइस, बैम्बू राइस, so many are there. Certain, the whole thing is about processing. You're not removing any unnecessary fiber, micronutrients, the outside coating. This is very important. uh, that is like one step better. Even better is millets, and it also depends on what suits you. So it's not, it's
वन हैव
both ways.
ब्लैंकेट स्टेटमेंट
Yeah,
या।
yeah. It's not like, one is like Amrit, like, it's everything good. Everything has bad and good. And you also, it is the body type also, right? What suits you, and if you already have a pre-existing condition like diabetes or heart disease or whatever. So we have to kind of make that match and give the proper recommendation which would be best for that particular person. Yeah.
तो हम किसी भी बात को ऐसे ही आंख बंद करके फॉलो ना करें, थोड़ा स्टडी करें,
बिल्कुल समझना
थोड़ा सा
चाहिए।
समझना है
या
आपको, अपनी विजडम यूज़ करनी है।
बिल्कुल